Hello everyone, welcome to Jano TV. Question number 1. When will the Paris 2024 Olympics take place? A. July 20, August 4, 2024. B. July 26, August 11, 2024. C. August 10, August 25, 2024. D. June 15, June 30, 2024. Answer B. July 26, August 11, 2024. Question number 2. How many times has Paris hosted the Summer Olympics including the 2024 Games? A. Once. B. Twice. C. 3 times. D. 4 times. Answer C. 3 times. Question number 3. What is the motto of the Paris 2024 Olympics? A. Inspire a generation. B. United by emotion. C. Faster, higher, stronger together. D. Games of the new era. Answer C. Faster, higher, stronger together. Question number 4. Which of the following sports will make its debut in the Paris 2024 Olympics? A. Karate. B. Skateboarding. C. Breakdancing. D. Surfing. Answer C. Breakdancing. Question number 5. Paris will be the second city to host the Summer Olympics 3 times. Which was the first city to do so? A. London. B. Tokyo. C. Athens. D. Los Angeles. Answer A. London. Question number 6. The Paris 2024 Olympic Games will feature how many sports in total? A. 28. B. 32. C. 33. D. 36. Answer C. 33. Question number 7. Which of the following countries is banned for the Paris 2024 Olympics due to doping violations? A. North Korea. B. Russia. C. Belarus. D. Afghanistan. Answer B. Russia. Question number 8. The Paris 2024 Olympic Games will be the addition of the Summer Olympics. A. 30th. B. 31st. C. 32nd. D. 33rd. Answer D. 33rd. Question number 9. How many athletes are expected to participate in the Paris 2024 Olympics? A. Around 8,000. B. Around 10,500. C. Around 12,000. D. Around 15,000. Answer B. Around 10,500. Question number 10. Paris 2024 will have a specific focus on gender equality. What is the expected gender ratio among participating athletes? A. 50% men and 50% women. B. 55% men and 45% women. C. 60% men and 40% women. D. 45% men and 55% women. Answer A. 50% men and 50% women. Question number 11. Which of the following will be a key focus of the Paris 2024 Olympics in the terms of sustainability? A. No use of single-use plastics. B. Carbon neutrality. C. Banning motorized vehicles. D. All venues to be powered by renewable energy. Answer B. Carbon neutrality. Question number 12. What is the name of the official mascot for the Paris 2024 Olympics? A. Vinegarous. B. Maritova. C. Fagres. D. Hadori. Answer C. Farigas. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to do subscribe, like to our channel.